Children, now we'll see how packing is done in 3 dimensions. Till now we have a 2-dimensional layer having length and breadth, and obviously we have taken a hexagonal close packing because it is more efficient as compared to square close packing. Now the second layer or height that we have to generate, we have to keep the spheres in the depression of the first layer like this. This empty space which is there between the spheres of the first layer, it is triangular in shape and we can call it as triangular void, and we are keeping the next layer in the depression of the first layer like this. Children, here after doing so, we'll be getting 2 types of voids. Number one is a tetrahedral void which is formed when triangular void of first layer is there and we keep the second layer above it. The space which is there between these 4 spheres in the shape of tetrahedral, the empty space in between is known as tetrahedral void. Its coordination number is 4 because that empty space is in contact with 4 spheres, and its radius is 0.225 of the radius of the sphere. The second void which is generated is octahedral void. It is formed when triangular void of first layer is overlapped by triangular void of second layer like this. Triangular void of first layer we have shown by red bangles, and triangular void of second layer we have shown by green bangles. So the space in between which is left is known as octahedral void. Its radius is 0.414 of the radius of the sphere. Whenever packing is being taken place, tetrahedral voids are always double the number of octahedral voids, and they are obviously double the number of spheres, and octahedral voids are equal in number of spheres which are used in packing. So in this packing you can see that this void is a tetrahedral void because it is formed by triangular void and 1 sphere above it, whereas this void which is formed here, this one, is formed by overlapping of triangular void of first layer and triangular void of the second layer. And when we want to generate the third layer above it, when we are going to place one more layer above it, it can be again done in 2 ways. If the third layer is on the octahedral void ABC packing, which is also known as cubic close packing or face center cubic take place. If the third layer is on the tetrahedral voids of the second layer, first layer and third layer would be aligned to each other, and then we call it as AB pattern or hexagonal close packing. In both ways, in hexagonal close packing or face centered cubic or cubic close packing, both are equally efficient and efficiency is 74%.